Hello, welcome to another class with Tutorial. Come, let's solve these questions together. Okay, you have this question here, 5 root 2.5 minus root 10, all in brackets, multiplied by root 0.4. What do we do in this case? Remember your knowledge of having a minus b all multiplied by d. What do? You say a times d, which becomes ad, minus b times d, which becomes bd. So that is the knowledge we are going to be using for this question. So we are going to be multiplying root 0.4 by 5 root 2.5. Alright, just like I have said, we have 5 root 2.5 multiplied by 0.4 minus root 10 also multiplied by 0.4. Now this can be further simplified into 5 into root 2.5 is the same thing as 25 over 10 times root 0.4 is the same thing as 4 over 10. Put your bracket and close it to avoid mistakes. Minus root 10 times root 0.4 can be written as root 4 over 10. Close your bracket there also. Now, because these are surds, they can be multiplied together. So we have 5 root 25 times 4, 100. All over 10 times 10, 100. Now, 100 here goes 1. 100 here also is 1. 1 divided by 1 is still 1. So we have 5 root 1. I believe you are following. Minus. This here has the denominator of 1. So we can say 10 times 4, that is 40. All over 1 times 10, that is 10. Close your bracket. 0 can cancel 0. And 4 divided by 1, we have root 4. So we have minus root 4. 5 root 1 minus root 4. The root of 1 is 1. So we are left with 5 times 1 minus the root of 4 is what? 2. So we have 2. This becomes 5 times 1, 5 minus 2. And 5 minus 2 is 3. That is our answer. I believe you are following. Let's move on to this. Express root 32 plus 6 root 2 as a single surd. And hence, find the value of 7 over root 2. All into bracket root 32 plus 6 over root 2. Close your bracket. So now let's do this together. Just as the sentence is, the first thing we need to do is to solve this as a single surd. The best way I would advise for you to solve this is to make use of your LCM. So the denominator here is 1. When you have the LCM of 1 and root 2, it gives you root 2. So we have the LCM of 1 and root 2 to be root 2. So we are writing this and having our root 2 as the denominator I taught you about. So we multiply by root 2 in the numerator side, and we also multiply by root 2 in the denominator side. This gives birth to 14 root 2 all over root 2 times root 4. And what is the root of 4? 2. Yes, correct. So you can further simplify by saying 2 here 1, 2 here 7. So you have 7 root 2. Having expressed this as a single surd, we can go in and insert in this place. So we have 7 over root 2 all into bracket of root 32 plus 6 over root 2. However, we have solved our root 32 plus 6 over root 2 to be 7 root 2. So we insert 7 over root 2 multiplied by 7 root 2. You can put your over 1 here. So this becomes 7 over root 2 times 7 root 2 over 1 if you remove your brackets. So therefore, root 2 is in the numerator and root 2 is in the denominator. It can be cancelled. So we have 7 over 1 left here, and we also have 7 times 1, which is 7 over 1 left here. 7 times 7 is what? 49. All over 1 times 1, 1. 49 divided by 1 still remains 49. And this is our final answer. See you in the next class. Bye.